You did that one in our bathtub.
Yeah. Anybody want their picture taken with the parrots?
He's gonna bite you, Adam.
Use a little tongue. Hey, bud.
Yeah, keep moving there, everybody.
Hello, buddy. He's got some pretty chode-like feathers on his back.
He's molting.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Follow us.
I think you're gonna feed him.
My God, look at these. It looks like they like painted them.
Look at this one. John, get this one with the red head. Oh, look. Look at the baby. What's she doing to her baby? Oh, my God.
No, they're fighting, Deb.
Who's fighting? The baby's in the middle.
No, it's not a baby, it's a parakeet. Fighting the two parrots.
Oh, wow, they're really vicious.
Screaming.
Oh, my God.
No, I didn't show it. Jesus. Tom got it on video. He just killed a damn bird.
It's not dead yet. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
They murdered the thing. Death throes. He's shaking over. Oh my God, they killed him.
What's that?
Those crackers, yes, he's dead.
That was, oh my God.
I saw they were killing him.
They got his neck.
Oh my God.
Now he's really dead.
Oh, that is pathetic.
No, this guy came back.
They killed him. They attacked him. Why'd they do that?
Oh, it's